guys, we're dining our food. It was so delicious. I recommend the salt and burger. It's really good. Right?
Yes, it's really good. It's a little bit of kid of spicy. I think this is the one. This is a mayo, spicy mayo. This sauce.
Yes.
Yeah.
But it's really good though. It's not...
It's really good, and this one is with pico de gallo.
Oh,
Yeah, that's a pico de gallo.
And we still have a lot of bread right here. So we're gonna take that out for tomorrow. And so we are here in Magnolia table with my sister. Ristru, say hi. Hi. Yeah, today we're going to have a lunch. So yeah, this is Magnolia table here in Waco, Texas. We're waiting for our time to get in. So right now we're here in waiting area. This is their waiting area.
I'm so hungry.
Yeah, we're so hungry. This is the outside of Magnolia table. Their waiting area is right here. Very fancy. I like how they decorate their building. It's nice. And they have a coffee shop right there. And tables around where you can sit and enjoy your coffee. Yeah, we'll update you later. Update, ganito po tayo sa loob na Magnolia table here in Waco, Texas. So ito po yung pinakasikat na restaurant dito sa Waco, Texas, ang Magnolia table. So I'll show you around yung inside of the restaurant, okay? burger. It's really good, right?
Yes, it's really good. It's a little bit a kid of spicy. I think this is the one. This is a mayo, spicy mayo. This sauce.
Yes.
Yeah.
But it's really good, though, isn't it?
It's really good, and this one is with pico de gallo.
Oh,
Yeah, that's a pico de gallo.
And we still have a lot of bread right here, so we're gonna cook that out for tomorrow. And yeah, get our to-go box now. Hey guys, so update. So we're just finished eating our lunch, and this is the front of the Magnolia Table restaurant. So we're finished, and we got a takeout. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good day. Say bye.
Bye. See you.
Bye, guys.